Today we have the Zenfone Max M1. This is the downgraded version of Zenfone Max Pro M1, which was launched recently. Uh, let's check out this box. So these are the specifications. It comes with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. The color is gold. It has dual SIM support. It has 5.5 HD plus display. So on the front it has 8 megapixel camera, on the back it has 13 megapixel rear camera. So let's quickly open this box. Let's place it aside. This is the box. This is the phone we have. This is the actual phone. Let's place it aside. So it has a charger. It is the 5-volt charger. It's not a fast charger. Nothing inside apart from this. Let's keep aside. There's no what do you call earphones. After setting up the device, as you can see, let's quickly jump into the specifications. No, settings. Let's check out the storage. This, as you can see, almost 24 GB storage is available, and when it comes to the RAM, it has 3 GB of RAM and 2.1 GB is remaining. Let's check other settings. This is the brightness. This auto brightness is available. Let's check out the battery. It comes with 4000 mAh battery. And let's check the advanced settings. So we have the options of twin apps. As you can see, you can make 2 accounts on each of these social media sites. There are other options such as glove mode, one hand mode. You can take instant screenshot by pressing the volume key. That's it. There is a fingerprint sensor. I have already added. Let me add. We have a fingerprint sensor as well as face recognition. Let me add face recognition. Whatever, face plus pin. Yeah. No thanks. Let me add 4. Okay. Let's try it. Yep, done. It's done. Yep, done now. Let's try it. Let me add the lock settings. Lock pen. We have face. So we can use both fingerprint as well as face recognition. Let me try face recognition. Yep, it's quite speed. Yep, nice. Let me try the fingerprint sensor. Let me enable fingerprint sensor. Let me add again. Done. Let's try fingerprint sensor. It's quite speed, as you can see. It's much better than the earlier Max Pro M1, which had issues regarding the fingerprint sensor. This is a security update. No connection. So last updated on July 5th. So these are the trusted apps, whatever. So as you can see on the front, it has 8 megapixel front facing camera. This is the selfie flash kind of. So this is the rear camera, 13 megapixel rear camera with f2.0 aperture. So this is the LED flash. So this is the power button. These are the volume rockers. So this is USB type USB 2.0. So there are no dual speakers. This is for only aesthetics. This is the official speaker. Let me show you the SIM tray. So it has the triple dedicated slots. This is for micro USB. These are for dual SIMs. This SIM 1 and SIM 2. So it might help many users who have done. Boom. As you can see, the UI is very fluid. Very fluid. Let me take the shot. Even the focus is pretty good, as you can see. Not bad. So it is available exclusively on flipkart.com for rupees 74999. Yeah, that's it. Wait for the official review from us. We'll be releasing the review as soon as possible. Let's see.